Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the scale on an Excel graph. Let's get started. To adjust the scale of a graph, let's start by right-clicking on the vertical axis where the values are displayed. Choose Format Axis and a pane with additional options will appear on the right. In the Axis Options section, we can tailor the graph bounds and units to suit our needs. Let's walk through it step by step. Currently, the bottom bound value is set at 0, and the upper bound value is set to 70. For enhanced graph clarity, let's modify the upper bound to 60. Upon pressing Enter, Excel promptly updates the graph, enhancing data clarity. Simultaneously, we can adjust the units displayed on the vertical axis. Presently, the unit value is 10, indicating a difference of 10 between the numbers on this axis. Changing the major unit value from 10 to 20 and hitting Enter adjusts the units accordingly. This is a nifty method to change the scaling in a graph according to your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.